What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from RaeshadBeats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd tutorial. And today we're going to be learning how to make a violin instrumental beat. So basically, for this type of instrumental, I'm going to be focusing obviously on the violin instrument. And one of my favorite VSTs to start out with that has really good string sounds and violin sounds is Xpand. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to right click sampler and I'm going to go to Xpand. Make sure my primary sound driver is on so you guys can hear me in real time. And let's see what we got. So I'm going to click on where it says massive pad and I'm going to go to 14 where 014 strings. And I'm going to pick solo violin. So the whole basis of this tutorial is to show you guys how to use instruments and also how to conduct instruments the same way. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm going to start with this chord right here. I'm going to go to my piano roll. So that is C sharp, F sharp, A. Let's start with that first. Our tempo's at 140 by the way as well. Alright, next chord. So our next chord would be F sharp, A, C sharp. So that's 2 so far. Let's keep building it. Alright, so I try to push the last one, but I'm gonna fix these, but I'm gonna keep these first 3. So far we have 1, 2. Let's fix these real quick. Also, don't be afraid to fix your notes as well. I always, even though I play them from my keyboard, I always make sure they're refined. So always be sure to make sure your notes are on time. Alright, let's keep going. So let's see how it plays out to the 5. So far we have a good loop from our 1 to the 5, but we're going to continue all the way to where it says 9 right here. Let's continue to keep building our melody. And then from there, we're just going to continue to build it. And see. And there we go. We have a full violin melody. Let's play it from the top, see what we got. Okay, so I like this melody. I'm going to duplicate what we have already. I'm going to duplicate our VST by pressing Alt-C. And I'm going to add one more counter melody. And then we're going to add some percussion. And that was pretty good. I'll keep that one. So now we have two melodies ready to go. See, without my metronome, I wouldn't have paid attention and to see that some of these notes are off. So I'm gonna put them in the right place. Add an extra note at the end. And whenever your loop does that, at the end, it just keeps going and you're in pattern mode right here. It means that one of your notes extend beyond the ninth. So you see how this one is a little cut off? We just push it back and it'll loop perfectly. There we go. So let's go ahead and throw this in our song mode. We're going to click song mode and we're going to press the pencil, throw our pattern in here. So we have everything that we need. Let's get started with the actual drums.